to be here. It's an honor to be associated with HSW Embroidery Machines. As a company, they're not just doing a business, but they're also empowering the entire country because they're empowering the women of the country, and that's what's really, really important. How many entrepreneurs here? Of course, all of you are entrepreneurs. That is what makes India so vibrant, and makes every business click here, because women here have that urge to do businesses. And I was just talking to Tapan Kapadia sir just now, and he just gave me some insight, especially during COVID. I hear that so many women, when their husbands lost their jobs, they used these sewing machines, these embroidery machines, and did businesses, and they took care of companies, and they took care of their families. And I think that really, really touched my heart, because that is so beautiful to hear. And hats off to all those women who have really stood on their feet and supported their families during tough times, during COVID. And it's really, really a privilege to be here to support these women, and to be felicitating all the dealers as well. And I heard that all the machines, they're used for various, whether it's fashion garments, whether it's uniforms, they're everywhere, and they can be used to support so many businesses. And these are the real heroes, because in front we see the fashion brand or the garment brand, but what goes behind it are these machines which people are using to make these garments. And I think that is what is really important, the unsung heroes. So today's event is not just a business event, it's an event where we're felicitating these women heroes, the ones who are using these machines to support their families and to come out as emerging entrepreneurs. And before I conclude, I really want to have everyone give a big round of applause to Tapan Kapadia sir and ma'am. They've done a wonderful job, and may you continue to empower women this way, and may you continue to grow as a company as well. Thank you.
We have launched three machines. The first one is HSW Turbo 1.5. This machine is made with a very precision, and this machine is for the people who already into a business, but they want to expand their business and want to make more, the growth in a very cumulative way. So this is the first 1500 RPM machine of India in single head embroidery machine. Second machine which we have launched is HSW Ultra. It's an upgraded version of most popular series of 5G, which had empowered more than 2,000 or 3,000 ladies with just the 5G machines. And it has created a revolution in the HSW, like in the single head embroidery machines. So this is an upgraded version. And in these two machines, the customer will get 5 years limited electronic warranty. So that's the best part of the machine, and it is a more stronger, more stable, and most productive giving machine. The Neo is the basic model. It is for everyone. Like, it's an affordable machine, which, like, someone wants to start or someone wants to experiment the business, they can start with the Neo machines. And I'm very thankful to Pranita ji that they have came here and they have made our launch a memorable moment. And I thank to all my customers who are a part of HSW embroidery machine. If they are not there, then we can't reach over here. So I'm very much thankful to all my customers and my HSW family, especially my wife. The support of her was very, I don't have a word to say about her, because she has seen my sleepless night. She has seen my eagerness, my temperament. Because sometimes nothing happens, then all the things comes to her. So I am very much thankful to her and my lovely parents. They have always supported me.
Your good name, sir?
Tapan Kapadia.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.